welcome back to my channel Chal Chakra. Hope you are doing great and thank you so much for showing so much of love and trust towards us. As promised, I come daily and answer your question. So recently we have received a lot of questions related to the sun eclipse. What is going to happen in the sun eclipse? Let me answer one by one. So the first question is, when the sun eclipse is going to start? Is it going to impact in India or not? So the sun's eclipse is going to start between 9 p.m. to 3:17 a.m. in the morning. It is going to start on 2nd of October at 9 p.m. and end at 3:17 a.m. in the night on the 3rd of October. So this particular eclipse will not be shown in India. So you need not to follow the rules and regulation as this eclipse is not shown in India. So this particular eclipse will be how this eclipse is going to impact my life. So this particular eclipse is not a good time for most of the zodiac sign. Few need to be more alert, but for few zodiac sign this will be the good time. People are going to see a lot of ups and downs, especially finances wise, and sudden event is going to happen. If I talk about country wise, then country wise there are a lot of ups and downs is going to take place at the political level. More fights and quarrels between the family member as well as at the country. Question is, I do trading in the share market, how it will be finances wise? So sun eclipse, because of the sun eclipse, the time will not be so favorable finances wise, and the natives who are investing in the share market, they need to be alert because there will be the sudden downfall seen in the share market. The next question is the things what we have to take care of during this solar eclipse. So as this particular eclipse is not shown in India, so you need not to follow the rules, but this is very good time to manifest your life between 9 p.m. to 3:17 a.m. in the morning. Do mantra chanting, do the mantra chanting. You can do Shiva mantra like Namah Shivaya, or you can do Om Adityaya Namah. Other than that, try to manifest your life. Do meditation, do deep visualization. There are very high possibility that your wishes will come true, because this is a time where the universe will help you to convert your dreams into the reality. This is a good time to manifest your life. So try to chant more and more mantra, try to connect your own self to the universe, do meditation, do visualization, write down your goal books. This is a good time for the manifesting. Next is, I am a Aries moon sign. Can you please help me that how will be the sun eclipse on me? So Aries moon sign, if your moon sign is Aries, then the sun eclipse will be a favorable time for you, especially related to the career. You are going to see a lot of improvement in your career. For coming 1 month, it is a good time to change your job. It's a good time to take the actions. Luck will be your side. To enhance more your luck during this time, so during the time of the eclipse, you should chant Shiva mantra, Namah Shivaya, and once the eclipse been done, next day in the morning, you should donate wheat or atta to the needy. The next is, I am a Gemini moon sign. How will be the impact on me? So Gemini people, this is not so good time for you. You are going to face a problem in your career as well as the finances wise. Family wise also, you will be more anger, there will be more irritation. You have to be conscious with the accidents also. To avoid the challenges during this time, donate jaggery to the needy to the next morning. The next is, I am Leo. As how will be the impact of sun eclipse on me? So Leo people, Leo moon sign, this is not a good time for you. The particular sun eclipse will be having a bad effect on you. You are going to see the delay in your work. There will be the problem in the career, as well as you have to take care of your health also, especially eye related problem and the stomach related problem. For coming 1 month, it is not so good time for you. The next is, I am Capricorn. Can you please help me? How will be this eclipse be? So for Capricorn people, this is not a good time for you. Be conscious with health wise, and try to chant more Shiva mantra during this time to overcome the challenges that you are going to face for coming 1 month due to this eclipse. I am Aquarius. Aquarius people, this is not so good time health wise. You have to be conscious. If you are into a business, then it is not suggestible to you do any type of investment in your business. If you are into a job, then avoid changing the job during this time, because for coming 1 month, this is not a good time for you. To overcome the challenges, you should donate atta and jaggery to the needy. What about the Pisces moon sign? Pisces people, this is not so good time, marriage wise, love relationship wise. There is a possibility of the quarrels with the family members. It's not a good time to change your job also. To overcome the challenges, on 3rd of October morning, you should donate jaggery to the needy. So if you have more questions related to this particular eclipse, comment me. I'm going to help you out. Thank you and have a great day.